I was here for Ian, and I did not plan on staying for this one. It scared the daylights out of me.
Tonight, the evacuations from Florida need to be wrapping up as conditions begin to deteriorate as Hurricane Milton approaches the Florida coast. Officials urged residents to heed the warnings, telling them a safer location just a few miles inland could be the difference between life and death when it comes to flooding. With the contents of many homes that were gutted after Helene still lining the streets, the storm surge from Milton may become a destructive gumbo of debris-filled waves. And the threat of dangerous winds has already arrived there with a series of tornadoes touching down. Look at this. At one point today, there were at least 7 tornado watches active at the same time across South Florida. Hurricane Milton's landfall is now about 6 hours away. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for watching. I'm Katie Moore. Charisse is on assignment. Today, the hurricane hunters continue to monitor Hurricane Milton, flying missions in and out of the storm to try and get the latest data. Right now, the storm is a Category 3 storm as it approaches Florida's coast. And we've been getting hourly updates from the National Hurricane Center. Meteorologist Alexa Trischler is joining us now with the latest on the forecast. So do we expect it to maintain that strength, Alexa, or is it weakening?
It looks like it will maintain itself as a Category 3 at landfall, which is just a few short hours from now. This is what it looks like on our satellite imagery across Florida. See, the heavy rain and the strong winds are displaced on the north side of the eye because it's getting sheared up. So the impacts are spreading farther across the peninsula of Florida. The heavy rain happening across Tampa Bay, Sarasota as well. Like Katie mentioned, there have been dozens of tornado warnings today, over 20 reports of tornadoes so far today. Still looking at tornado warnings for the east coast of Florida at this point. It's just been a major event, and landfall is still just a few short hours away. It is expected to be a Category 3 at landfall. It is still a Category 3 now with winds at 120 miles per hour. It's moving to the northeast at 15 miles per hour. That landfall expected this evening, and then as it spreads across the peninsula tonight, it will still maintain its hurricane status as a Category 1 when it reaches the central part of the peninsula and moves off the east coast by tomorrow afternoon. So those impacts, the strong winds, the heavy rain, the tornadoes, and the storm surge will be continuing for the next several hours into the overnight through early tomorrow. The hurricane force winds right concentrated in the center for Tampa Bay, but the tropical storm force winds spreading across the peninsula. So landfall just a few short hours from now. It's going to be a major storm for them. Like we've been telling you, it's just a few more hours of this dangerous surge. This devastating winds and the flooding and tornadoes will continue. We'll talk more about this plus our local weather in just a bit.
All right, Alexa, thanks so much. Now